Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi K30s. So for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here, then we will have here the symbol for the settings, so tap it. And now we will need the first point about phone, tap it. And here we will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. And below we see a countdown here, and at the end you are a developer for the phone. Okay, now just go back one step so that you're back in the general settings. And now scroll down to the point additional settings. So this one here. And now below we have the developer options. So tap it. And now we can do the stuff we wanted to do, like to enable the stay awake mode maybe, or the USB debugging, or all the other stuff you may need. And yeah, if you're finished with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here by just tapping here on that place. And if you go now back one step, you will see the developer options again, but you cannot tap it anymore. But if I go back again to the additional settings, they're no more there. And yeah, but if you want to have them back, just tap 7 times on the MIUI version number as I've shown you before, and you will have the developer options back on the phone. Yo, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Normally, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.